licensed to market category is about excellence in licensing the results of academic research for use in society.
The objective of our project was to calculate a single number that would represent the quality of machine translation output, something that had never been achieved in the industry before. It was great to be able to work closely with a centre of excellence, which is what ADAPT is, because we were able to bring that idea from Andy's team to market very, very quickly within the Cantan platform.
My role was to actually work out a business-like and workable agreement with the company, not just the license, but the original research collaboration, to ensure that expectations were met, to make sure that it was commercially reasonable, and that most of all that it didn't hamper the company.
The ADAPT Research Centre here in DCU is very interested in making the fruits of our academic outputs available to industry. It's important for us to see that we can solve problems of real interest to our industry partners like Cantan MT.
The collaboration was between Teagasc Food Research Centre, Mopark and Ornoa, and it essentially involved the actual scaling up of a new cheese-making process whereby we actually reconstitute specialist functional dairy protein powders along with other dairy ingredients, and we combine them directly into cheese.
As Teagasc Technology Transfer Office case manager, I've been involved with this process from the very start, when Team Guinea approached the office with this technology for assessment for patentability. I was then involved in filing the patent and subsequently marketing this technology to the industry.
For commercial success, you need both a market pull and a technology push. And working with the researchers here in Teagasc allowed us to utilise their vast knowledge of dairy research to create a new opportunity for our Nua in Riyadh.
So the project is a digital ID piece of software. So what we do is we take ID card systems like student cards or club memberships, and we run software to turn those into digital IDs on mobile apps.
We had the collaboration with the whole student body as beta testers of that prototypical product, finding out did it work, and above all, was it acceptable to people as a means of identity. And that led to great things, everything from it being accepted across college to shops in the local area, and then latterly indeed it was accepted as valid ID for whether you were a Trinity student or not on services like Irish Rail.
Without Trinity's support in terms of funding, expertise, and even just time from so many people, we never would have been able to get this project off the ground. Trinity really gave us that guidance to sort of take what we had as an idea and bring it through to a product.